I'm the girl he lives with. Welcome to Home Decor Sundays featuring Target Home Decor. Everyone was so welcoming with my first vlog and very interested in my design decisions that I decided it was important to start a vlog for people who just want to wake up Sunday morning, brew up some coffee from Joffrey's, and relax and enjoy some home decor design decisions that I've made. I really love home decor and making design decisions. And I absolutely love the options that Target offers. Let's begin. And if you've brewed your coffee, you're probably thinking about coffee, right? Well, here's a sign you can add to your kitchen to remind you where the coffee or coffee machine is located. Signs in a home are important, especially for the guy I live with. Simple things like, here's the laundry, and guess what? Target can help there as well. Somehow he still doesn't get it, and I have to do the laundry while cooking dinner. The one time I asked him to try doing some laundry, he put his nasty sneakers in the washer. Didn't help. They still look dirty and stink, but that's my little guy. He even thinks fabric softener is soap. So, sometimes you need a sign to help you escape and give you a bit of fantasy. Like having to live in this apartment that looks like a house. Nothing fits. Every piece of furniture is somehow too big for the space. That's why I decided to start a home decor series featuring products from Target. At some point, I imagine I'll be able to find something that fits in here. Anyway, since I have to pretend this is a real house, might as well believe that it's by a lake, and instead of sitting on the porch and looking at the side of a much larger building with cars parked next to it, I can hang this sign to help me think that this is a beautiful cottage sitting by the side of a lake. I like to be super creative, and Target is right there to help me. Whether it's exotic plastic plants that don't require watering or the ability to make your own sign. Check this out. All the letters and numbers and symbols to get creative, express yourself, or reach out to whoever can take the time to understand what is going on. Thank you, Target. Thank you. And that's all the home decor decisions I have for this week. Until next time, bye-bye.